Next one, prevention of disease. How to stop the disease to come. So for example here, we can lead healthy life if we make conscious efforts to take such measures that would reduce chances having a disease. Write about some way that can prevent us from having a disease, from having a sicknesses. So prevent, nivaran, what, how to take, okay. Leading a healthy life begins with a clean environment. Being healthy starts with what? With a clean environment. Environment means surroundings place, na, aas-paas. We should keep clean. It is important to keep our surroundings free from dirt and filthy. Filthy means dirty. So that we may keep a filth means like urine waste and two bathroom waste, stool waste, feces waste, and several diseases causing agents. Agents means that microbes, bacteria, virus, fungi are called agents which brings the sickness. Na? Those are called as agents. For example, we order something in online from bag or like that. Who brings to our home? Agents from the company, they bring to us. One who is bringing from one person to the other person, that persons are called as agents. Sufficient amount of proper food we should take and regular exercise. Go for morning walk for 1 kilometer, very good for health. Walking is okay. And we have studied in this chapter that disease have a direct effect on the immune system of our body. If the immune system of our body is strengthened, we can remain healthy for a long period of time. If immune system is healthy, Pratiraksha Shakti na Shakti ka Virod, immune system, WBC cells are more means we can be healthy always, and we can it saves us from all the infections and microorganisms, okay. So you may have heard about vaccination, which is one of the ways of strengthening our immune system. So nowadays for the coronavirus, if they are giving the vaccine, this vaccine will strengthen the immune system. If the immune system becomes strong, means immune system can kill the coronavirus, okay. Next one, do you know developing how the vaccination found out smallpox and cowpox there is. If the smallpox, if any person get na, their immunity power will increase. Though this is a sickness, the immunity power increases. So like that, through the smallpox, those who got, from that they have taken that skin, and cowpox also cows get na. So from that they prepared the vaccine, and like this the uses of the vaccine came out, okay. Cow is vacca in Latin, vaccina, from the cowpox, one sickness. So from there, those who got that sickness na, they get like small wounds like ghav na, full body they get. So from that they take the liquid or the such skin and prepared vaccine first time. So like that they have given. So if the vaccine is given means, and vaccination by which immunity power will be increases, and it will be killing the microbes and microorganisms, bacteria and everything, and we be healthy. Understand? So next one, so that is why they said, okay. So keywords, and here you see, health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being when a person is able to do one's work efficiently according to one's ability. So this is the health definition. Physically means body level, or mental means brain level, or social well-being means with everybody we are meeting, making friends and laughing, always happy. So that means we are healthy. So one's ability means according to we use our talents, our skills, always enjoying, very strong and following the classes, studying, not feeling lazy, means we are health. Disease means disturbed ease. That means our easiness is disturbed, so we feel difficult. Public cleanliness is important for individuals. Public places like railway stations, hospitals and common places, roads should be clean, so that everybody will be healthy. Acute diseases means short period diseases. Na? On treatment is cured in a short period of time, like fever due to minor injury. While chronic diseases means minor means small sicknesses, major means cancer, corona, major sicknesses. And the chronic disease will stay for long time. Acute disease for the short period of time. Contributory causes for having a disease may be contaminated water. Contaminated water means the water is many days staying at one place, na, contaminated, stagnant or spoiled water, okay. And disease caused by infective agents are called infectious diseases. Through the microbes, if you are getting like bacteria, fungus, through that if you are getting disease, mean they are called as a infectious diseases. For example, cholera, typhoid, AIDS and TB and cold, cough, fever. Weakening the immune system by AIDS eventually leads to death of a patient. The immune system keeps the body healthy by categorically destroying the unwanted disease-causing agents. Immunity towards disease caused by bacterial or viral infection like tetanus, whooping cough, diphtheria, polio, measles, means diarrhea, everything can be destroyed by immune system. And next one, vaccination can prevent the cause of several infection diseases. So vaccination will save the save all of us from the diseases. So be clean, be healthy, do exercise, go for morning walk, be active. Okay, take nutritious food, good food, drink more water. Thank you, students.